What is going on, my friends? Today we are opening another juicy ass pack of the Yu-Gi-Oh cards. We have an Ancient Guardians booster box to open today. We are hoping to get some of those collector's rares. This is dope. I haven't seen any of the cards that are in here. I just know there's collector's rares. Honestly, I don't even know what collector's rares look like. I haven't been so lucky to get any sort of Starlight rares or anything like that. Let's freaking get into this thing. I'm bending it up, damn it. Stop bending it. Come on, come on. Just slide it out of there. Just slide. Ooh, look at that. Look at this. Let's take a look at this box real quick. Snake's Reign, huh? Is that because there's a big ass cobra snake with wings right there? That is cool. All right. Let's get these freaking Yu-Gi-Oh cards going. Ancient Guardians, and these are only 7 cards per pack, but they're all rares, super rares, ultra rares. So first of all, look at that. That is sick. Wouldn't it be badass to get that guy? What's that guy's name? Snake Reign. Okay. I'm assuming Snake Reign? No. Probably not. We'll see. We're gonna pull one, so we're gonna find out. Let's open the very first pack. Let's move this to the side here, and let's get this very first pack open. Oh man, it's been a little while since we've done one of these openings, so let's try and get at least one of these packs good condition. Get these going. So I think since they're all rares, we're just gonna jump in. Look at this guy, Socratic Megabilis. Ooh, an ultra rare. No, that's not an ultra rare. Why'd that look like an ultra rare? That's not ultra rare. King of the Feral Imps. That's dope though. We got Dinosaur Power, the Mighty Draco Slayer. Dope. Snake Reign. We got that Snake Reign. Not a collector's rare version, unfortunately. That would be dope if it was. Ogdoadic Calling, Luster Pendulum, the Draco Slayer, and super rare Dosulfachord Kudia. So we got a ton of cards to go through, so we'll speed up here once we start seeing some duplicates. Woo! Smacking my lamp around. Look at this pack. I like the covers of these. I like the characters. So the Ancient Guardians. Ancient Guardians Leviosa. Did we get that one already? Viper's Rebirth. Another Snake Reign. Ignister Prominence, the Blasting Draco Slayer. Support Formal. And super rare Nunu, the Ogdoadic Remnant. Not a bad looking card. Is that a snake? The snakes they were talking about? It is a snake, I think. That's a snack. That's a snack. It says reptile. That's a snack. We got our first snack or something, I think. Next pack. Boom, 24 packs to get through here. Let's go. Another Viper's Rebirth. Seeing a lot of duplicates, I think, already. Skullmeister. If that was a collector's rare, that would have been sick. The Snake Deity. Light Serpent, or Socratic Polari, ultra rare. That is sick. That is actually pretty sick. Damn, nice. Like a $9 card right there. That is nice. Look at that bad boy. Bam! I like it. Next one. Shakalaka. Offering to the snake deity. Yuzika. What is that guy? Zoha. The Ogdoadic Boundless. Aristocratic Point Charge again. Skullmeister again. Dino Wrestler Pankertrops. If this guy was the collector's rare, we'd be in business. Curus, the Orthogatic Light. I don't know how to say that word. It's a hard word to say. Get a closer look on this guy. Super rare. Hell yeah. Oh. We're flying through, getting these open. Will we know a collector's rare if we pull one? I sure hope so. Otherwise, what's the point? Wavering Eyes. Mystificord Elitia. King of the Feral Imps again. Evil Dragon Amanta. I don't think we've gotten that one yet. Sick. Viper's Rebirth. We've gotten that. Venenum. The King of Poisonous Snakes. Lots of snakes going on here. Nayuyu. The Orthogatic Remnant. Super rare, super sick looking, lots of snakes. So I get why it says snakes rain, huh? I think we're starting to figure it out. And there's another blam on the front of that. That's cool. Open her up. All right. Another one of those. We've gotten that one as well. This guy. Flogos, the Orthogatic Boundless. Pot of Riches. Hell yeah. Who doesn't like a good pot of riches? Come on now. Yeah. Iaris Rock Sunrise. Sulfur Scale. And another super rare. Ursarctic McBillis. That dude is pretty sick looking though. Look at that guy. Sweet. Moving right along. Come on. Give me them collector's rares. Orgodic Origin. Magister Paladine. Is that what that says? Magister Paladine, the Ascending Draco Slayer. That's pretty cool looking. Look at that. Damn. Mystificord Elitia. Another one of those. Another Zolhan. Another Pot of Riches. Sulfur Elegant. Super rare. We're knocking out all our super rares, and then we're gonna get to them ultra rares, secret rares. We haven't got a secret rare yet. Damn, what the hell? And collector's rares. I can smell them. First of all, speaking of smelling, we haven't smelt the pack yet. Oh, it smells so good. Another Dino Wrestler Pancreas. Another Flogos. Power the Mighty Draco Slayer. Another one of those. The Deity of Poisonous Snites. The Fourth Scale. Perficifer Megabilis. And Sulfur Gracia. I think that's a duplicate super rare that we just got. Maybe. I think that's the chick on the front there. Is it? And no. Nope. It's not the chick on the front. I would assume that one would at least be an ultra rare. Alright, come on. Where's the good ones? Where be the good ones, you guys? I'm gonna smell this pack too for luck. Oh, All right. Boom. Boom. Light Serpent. We haven't got that one yet, I don't think. Ignite Reload. Don't think we've gotten that one. Offering to the Snake Deity. Of course, we've gotten that one. Another Sulfur Gracia. Damn, that is definitely a duplicate. Holy crap. Holy crap. Let's just knock 2 of those out of the park right there, huh? Huh? Come on, come on. All right, Evil Dragon Ananta. That homeboy again. That homeboy again. Trade in. Haven't got that one yet. Hello. I don't know. I don't think we've gotten that one. And here we go. Ultra rare. Aron, the Ogdoadic King. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? What happened to my mouse? My mouse is dead. No, it's not. There it is. What is it? Aron? Aron, the Ogdoadic King? Nice. Another like $8 card. That's sick. Man, hell yeah. There we go. Oh, let's take these bad boys with it. I'm a collector, not a player. We just be collecting. Oh. I don't think we've gotten that one. We've got that. God, it's so hard to see that name when they ram it all together there. The poisonous snakes, the hollow, the vipers, rebirth, and Ursartic slider. Makes me want little mini burgers, some sliders. Oh yeah. Boom shakalaka. Come on, man. Come on. What do you guys think? Think we're gonna get collectors rare? Ayer's Rock Sunrise. Damage equals reptile. I don't think we've gotten that. Pretty sure we've gotten that guy. Gotten that. Him. Earth Prey Departure. Don't know if we've gotten that one. Nice, nice. Okay. Okay. Let's go. We're getting a nice little stack here. We're a little over halfway, I think. A little over halfway. So forward Musica. Skolmeister. Rise of the Snake Deity. Light Serpent. Another Pancreas Dino Wrestler. Flogos. Another Flogos. Ogdoadic. I am having the hardest time with these names. Ogdoadic Water Lily. I don't think we have that one. Sick. Nice. Blam. Let's see how many packs we got left here. Let's pull them out of the box. Let's see here. Boom. We got a good fat stack of packs left. What's that? 5. 11 packs left. So we're a little over halfway with these beautiful packs. Let's spread them out right here. Let's just plop them down right there and we'll start picking from that stack. Yeah. Come on, baby. Give me something good. Zohan. Another Skullmeister, man. Another Pancreas. Rise of the Snake Deity. And boom. Alaria, the Orderic Dark. I don't think we have that one. That is a cool looking card. Another snaky man. Sick. All right. We're saving all the good cards for last, I think. I think that's what's going on here. All the good cards coming in last. These final packs. The last 5 are gonna be insane. You know what I mean? All right. That homeboy again. That homeboy again. That homeboy again. That homeboy again. That again. That again. And we already got that one. Arctic Departure. Wait. Next. Come on. She didn't want to open. It's my nickname in high school. Dreamia, Trade In, Wind Charge, Viper's Rebirth, Snake Rain, this guy again, and one I don't think we have is Arctic McGenius. We might actually have that one. I think we already got that one. Damn. Oh well. We're not on our top 5 yet. We're not there yet. Those are gonna be the best packs. Maybe I should have shuffled that, huh? All right, this is the one right here. I feel it. It's heavy. It smells delicious. This is the one. Boom. Boom. Sunrise and I know we got that one. Aristocratic McBillis. Duplicates in this box. This booster box so far is not hitting. It's not hitting. I'm looking at the list and I see a lot of cards we haven't got yet. We have, oh, they don't even have secret rares, so that makes sense, but still. We've gotten 2 ultra rares. Oh. Levering Eyes. I think at this point we've gotten all the rares. Have to. King of the Feral Imps. The Dragon, and here we go. Ultra rare, but I think this is a duplicate ultra rare. Amnesia, the Odiac Queen, might not be. No, I don't think it is. Actually, no, that's a $6 card. Not bad at all. Nice. All right, another ultra rare. We're good. 3 ultra rares so far out of 24 packs. Could be better, but we still have 6 packs, so we're good. We're gonna get a couple more. I can feel it. I want to get some of them really nice ultra rares. You know what I'm saying? Gotten a couple of good. Boom. Here we go. Aristocratic McPolar. I don't know if we've gotten that one yet. Probably. It's probably a duplicate. I've lost track. They all have the same name in this set. They're all Ancient Guardians and they all have the same name. The prefixes in Yu-Gi-Oh! Get wild sometimes. Alright. Let's go. And boom. Hilaria, the Odiac Dark. I'm pretty sure that's a duplicate as well. That is definitely a duplicate. I want that guy. Look at that guy. I want that guy. He's cool looking. Let's get him. Come on. Pot of Riches. How am I supposed to tell what are the collector's rares? They gotta have something going on with them that are fancy, right? I haven't seen one. I haven't pulled one yet. All right, and then our big boy is Angelia. Can't tell again because they have the same start and they kind of look similar. I'll have to go through them afterwards. I could have gotten some really good cards and not even noticed it, but so far I don't think so. We got a couple good ones with the ultra rares that we got. We're gonna keep it going. More packs open. Delivering eyes. Points. Another Skullmeister. Boom. I know we already have that one. Another duplicate. Ooh, this box is full of duplicates, man. Full of duplicates. Last two packs, you guys. Last two packs. Collector's rare would be on point right now. It would be on point. Seeing all these. Last one. Nanu, the Zodiac Remnant. That is another duplicate. Wow. Wow, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be buying another Ancient Guardians box. Wow. All right, last pack. Let's smell it. The last pack, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Come on. Give me something good. Ultra rare, please, at least. And the last card of the last pack of the Ancient Guardians booster box is another duplicate. Wow. Well, that's that, isn't it?